Monkey.
What's up, guys? We're gonna be installing macOS on a MacBook Pro. So far we tried installing macOS on this MacBook, but it doesn't install because the hard drive is damaged. So we're going to be replacing the hard drive with an SSD, solid state drive. We're going to go to disk utility. You press the power button, you hold option key. Then you're gonna go to disk utility. You're gonna look for the disk. So it's taking forever to load the disk. So that's where we're gonna replace the SSD. Now we're gonna take out the back cover and we're gonna change the hard drive out with the SSD. So those are the screws that we're taking off from the back cover. First thing you want to do is disconnect the battery. That's the hard drive cable there. That's the battery. And you're going to take out the screws for the hard drive. So take out that. And then lift the hard drive up. And just so that it comes out. That's the cable for the hard drive. You take out the screws on the side of the hard drive to put on the SSD so that the SSD stays in place. Screws are already in the SSD now. We're going to put it back in place. I'm going to put the screws back to cover the hard drive from not moving. Connect back the cable, connect back the battery, and we're going to put back it together. The back cover is on back. I'm going to turn on, hold option. And I'm going to click on the installation drive, that's the macOS A1286. The lighting is a little bad because for some reason the display light was down. Alright, is there macOS there? I'm gonna go back and format the SSD into macOS journal. Alright, it's gonna be formatted there now. The journal, and we're gonna continue installation. Click on the drive that we're going to install the OS on. That's your SSD drive, and it's going to complete that process there. After it's finished, we're going to complete the settings to set up the macOS. Alright, the setup is complete. Now you can see the light is on the display is very high back. It's not that dim anymore. I'm gonna put in name, password, and we're gonna hit next. Hit next again, complete the setups there, and then the screen is going to be on. And that's it. It's all installed. macOS is good. Computer works fine. Subscribe, leave a like, comment. Thank you.